Hey everyone, welcome back to Trend Talk Network, your go-to place for the latest in tech. Today we've got something incredibly exciting. Meta's newest Quest 3, a breakthrough mixed reality headset that promises to take VR and AR to the next level. If you are new, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more update. This powerhouse is not just a virtual reality headset, it's a full-on mixed reality experience, blending the real world with the digital one seamlessly. From enhanced performance to crystal clear visuals, MetaQuest 3 is aiming to change the game. The latest in virtual reality, offering enhanced graphics, a lightweight design, and full immersion into VR worlds and experiences. It's slimmer, it's faster, and it comes with some seriously advanced mixed reality features. Whether you're into gaming, working out in virtual environments, or using it for productivity, the Quest 3 is designed for an all-in-one experience. In the description box, I have given the affiliate link of the Amazon web store. Copy and visit the link for discount. So, what makes this new Quest 3 a game changer? Stick with me as we break down all the top features and find out if it's worth your upgrade. And there you have it, the Meta Quest 3. With its blend of virtual and augmented reality, it's not just about escaping the real world, but enhancing it. Whether you're a gamer, a fitness enthusiast, or someone exploring the future of work, this headset brings a whole new level of immersion. From its high-res pass-through to its improved comfort and faster Snapdragon chipset, MetaQuest 3 is shaping up to be a serious contender in the world of mixed reality. So, what do you think? Is MetaQuest 3 the future of mixed reality, or are you holding out for something else? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe for more tech deep dives, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.